In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type Subscript in Google Docs, a handy feature that can enhance your documents, especially when working with scientific formulas or chemical symbols. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily use this feature. First, ensure that you have your Google Docs document open and ready. Now, to begin typing in Subscript, you want to start by navigating to the menu at the top of your screen. Click on Format. You'll notice various options, but our focus here is on text formatting. So in the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Text. After you've clicked on Text, you'll see a sub-menu appear. From there, select Subscript. At this point, anything you type will automatically appear in Subscript format. This means the characters will be smaller and slightly below the regular line of text. It's particularly useful when you need to write formulas like H2O, where the 2 appears in Subscript. Now let's say you've finished typing in Subscript and you want to return to normal text. This is also straightforward. Simply repeat the same steps. Click on Format, choose Text, and then select Subscript once more. This action will turn off the Subscript formatting and allow you to continue typing normally. For those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a quicker method. Press Ctrl and the comma key together if you're using a Windows PC. For Mac users, you can achieve the same by pressing Command and the comma key. To turn off the Subscript and revert to standard text, just press the same keys again. Ctrl plus comma or Command plus comma, depending on your device. That's all there is to it. Whether you prefer using the menu or shortcuts, typing in Subscript in your Google Docs is a breeze with these straightforward methods. Remember, using Subscript can make your documents more professional and precise, particularly when dealing with detailed technical content. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you found it helpful, or if you have any other tips to share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.